Hi friends, Dr. Science here with another song for you. This is one that I remember from when I was little. It's from Sesame Street, and it's about all the strange places that you like to see, and also about how good it feels to come back home. I like to visit the moon on a rocket ship high in the air. I'd like to visit the moon, but I don't think I'd like to live there. Oh, I'd like to look down at the earth from above and see all the places and people I love. But although I might go, I'll be coming home soon. I don't want to live on the moon. I'd like to travel under the sea. I could meet all the fish everywhere. I'd like to travel under the sea, but I don't think I'd like to live there. Oh, I'd stay for a day there if I had my wish, but there's not much to do when your friends are all fish, and an oyster and clam aren't a real family. No, I don't want to live in the sea. I'd like to visit the jungle, hear the lions roar, go back in time and meet a dinosaur. There's so many strange places I'd like to see, but none of them permanently. So if I should visit the moon, oh, I'd dance on a moonbeam, and then I'd wish a wish on a star, and I'd wish myself home once again. Yes, I'd like to look down at the earth from above, but I'd miss all the places and people I love. So although I might like it for one afternoon, I don't want to live on the moon. Dr. Science, out.